All right, guys, here's our first pass through looking at layout. I have plan view only. I don't have any elevation viewings of interior for casework. But for the reception area, if this is correct, so this countertop's at 34. This would be finalized at 42, a cutout here for ADA. And if I understand correctly, a cabinet here for a printer. This would be a file drawer, computer tower storage in here, another file drawer, obviously just standard cabinets. A tower could go in here unless we want a specific cabinet just for the tower. And we need to figure out the tower height. That's our interior height for the computer. Hygiene, room 2. This has been deleted, my understanding. Treatment room 106. Sink wall, it's just short of 8 feet. And the opposing wall with uppers and our base. The other hygiene rooms, the same thing. I'll send all these to you so you can print out the elevation views. This one's a little vague. This represents this space right here. Cabinets are only 22 deep. Looks like that wall is only 24. And on this side, there's some notes in here. Furniture by owner, I'm assuming that accounts for this as well. So let me know if this layout works, and once we've got the basic sizing figured out, we can look into some more of these details to make sure all this fits. All right, thank you. Let me know.